Hi friends, today we are gonna talk about figs. Firstly, let's see how to plant a fig plant. Figs are from the mulberry family. There are more than 700 named fig trees around the world. But in Kerala, three types of figs are commonly seen. The first one is elephant figs. These fig trees grows very big with big leaves. Elephant figs can't be eaten directly. The second one is brown turkey figs. These get really purple when they get ripen. They can be eaten directly when it gets ripened. These figs are really sweet. The third one is Israel figs. These are the figs we have here. They are very sweet and can be eaten directly when it gets ripened. The fruit is what comes directly, not the flower. The flower is inside the fruit. When the fruit starts to get ripened, a pink spot will appear at the bottom of the fruit, like this one. See? After the pink spot appears, the fruit will be ripened within a month. The fruit will be in this size until it starts to get ripened within 1 day. The fruit will get double in size. After the fruit gets bigger, it will be fully ripened within 2 to 3 days. It will get softened when it gets ripened. Then we can pick the fruit and eat it. This is our Israel fig. It has been fully ripened. There were many figs for each leaf. They were very sweet. We have picked it up and eaten it. Let's pick this fig and see how it tastes. This is how the fig looks inside. Inside we can see the seeds here. So let's see how our fig fruit tastes. Right, Zia?
Yes. Delicious.
Our fig fruit is very tasty. And as I told earlier, we can crunch the seeds inside the fig fruit. So our little sister loves to eat our fig fruits, and that's what the sound you heard earlier. Right, Zia?
Yes.
Firstly, let's see how to plant a fig plant. The size of our grow bag is 14 into 24 into 24 centimeter. So first, the ingredients what we need are some dry leaves, some green leaves, 1 cup of neem cake, 1 cup of powdered neem cake, some Abtec organic mixture, 2 cups of bone meal, some soil, got dunked in the same amount of the soil. Now let's mix the got dung and the soil together. Then mix it with the powdered neem cake, organic powder and the bone meal. Mix it all together well. We are using the fertilizer mostly on the planting time. 1/4 of the bag has been filled with the green leaves and the dry leaves. This is the fig plant that we are going to plant. We have added some of the mixture. Then tear the cover and put the plant in the bag without breaking out the soil. Then fill the bag with the rest of the mixture, potting mixture. You can use cow dung instead of the goat dung, but if you have goat dung, then you can use the goat dung. Now let's pour some water. You should water the plant regularly 2 times a day. This is how the Israel fig leaf looks like. The fig trees need really good sunlight, but if it gets too much rain, then the fig tree will be destroyed halfly or fully. We can dry the fruits to store it longer. There are many benefits we can get from figs. For example, it's good for cholesterol, sugar, acidity and BP. These are the things about figs we have for today. Next time we will do a video about the problem of fig fruits being dropped. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!